kaibigan, mga media, ang sinasabi ko, kung powerhouse ang Pilipinas, isa ito sa magiging powerhouse. At kayong media na nandito, powerhouse ko kayong inimbitahan. Pagkadami-daming media, and as the President of the Mr. and Miss Philippine Youth Organization, it is my honor and privilege to present to you the Philippine representative to the Miss Eco Team International Competition next week, no other than Miss Paula Merced Vito.
Photo muna.
Okay. And hindi nga lang to, surprise, I would like to call the mother to give, makikita niyo yung bouquet, eco-friendly din, recycle.
Hi, Pao. Picture.
Hi po. Hi.
Pao, picture. Tingin dito sa akin. Oh, gitna. Picture.
Pao, tingin sa akin. Alam mo na. Kaway-kaway.
Pao, dito sa ili ng followers, Pao.
Hi everyone.
Ayan, who needs it?
Pao, photo first.
And to give the flower a bouquet for good luck, the mother. And wait. Go, Mom.
Thank you po.
Photo, Mom.
Okay, Pao.
Photo.
Ang dami niyo pala. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Pao. Here po. Here, right.
Okay, Pao, kita. One more. Pao.
Pao, kanya po.
And I leave 5 a.m. in the morning because I have class at 8 a.m. Traffic is super bad po, especially in Commonwealth. So, true. So I wake up that early and then I go to school, and when I arrive in school, I go to the parang cafeteria area and I just relax there and wait till I have my classes. I have 4 classes each day, and I just go to school like, the best part about school is actually seeing, hello. The best part about school is actually being with my friends, you know, especially as someone who I think has a lot of things, a lot of hobbies. Then a great outlet for me talaga is my friends, my studies. And then after that in school, I just eat. I eat, I listen, I get bored, I get excited, and then I go home, I sleep, and the next day, then it moves on. So, my duty, the duties I uphold is inspiration and influence. Those are the values that I wish to share in the world. And with this, I will handle it by, you know, recalling to myself that I am a teen. I don't have the resources. I don't have big resources. So I will do all I can as a young teenager to do what it takes in order to go all ends, by the ends of everything, in order to just achieve what I can do best in order to give my duty as Miss Eco Teen International. With this, I will, you know, maybe put up even simple organizations, simple activities in order to further express my advocacies to social media and to other platforms like that for more people to be informed. That is how I will handle my reign as when at Miss Eco Teen International.
Which part of the competition are you most excited about?
Which part? Ako po kasi personally, I like meeting new people and I like making new friends. So I'm most excited about meeting my fellow candidates. I will also be assigned a room with a fellow candidate. I just don't know who all, but I'm most excited.
It seems like you're prepared for this international competition, so and congratulations in advance. My question for you is, since this is your first time to compete in the international arena, could you please tell us or share us your hardships you have encountered all throughout your preparation?
I'm very grateful for everything I've experienced. So really, I don't see them as hardships. Rather more as obstacles that help me learn throughout the way. And one thing I've been mentioning since earlier is my well-being within myself. Might I say, actually, I'll be honest, I am my own enemy. I have no enemies but myself. So my greatest enemy is my mind and my emotions. So that is my biggest challenge and what I've experienced in my journey. And to overcome this, especially na I'm gonna step in the international arena, like he said, it's important to just relax, to calm down, to think rather of enjoying the moment and not being too strained on winning or anything like that. But you know, to just think I'm doing this not only for myself, but for you guys as well. So that enough would make me happy enough to care for my well-being. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello po. Hi. Good to see you.
Kumusta na? How are you feeling right now? Dahil marami na competition next week na. When are you leaving ba?
Yes, I will be leaving. My flight is on the 11th, this Saturday po. And as of now, I'm super excited. I'm getting more nervous. I'm not gonna doubt. I am feeling more of the nerves. However, yes, I'm looking forward so much po for my competition as I'm really excited for what I'm about to experience in Egypt.
Okay, last two questions. How did you prepare for this competition? Ano yung mga preparations na ginawa?
For my preparations, I do a lot of training po. Firsthand, I have Passerella. I train for my Q&A, which helps me so much. And on the other hand naman po, besides my pageant trainings, I do a lot of meditation for my preparations, especially now that since my competition is nearing, I tend to get more overwhelmed and I overthink a lot. So it's very important for me, for my preparations, to meditate and reflect and have, you know, inner self-dialogues in order for me to relax and calm my mood.
Okay, last question. So your message sa mga supporter mo, what can you promise?
What can I promise? To all my supporters watching, to all the Filipinos, I promise that yes, I will do all my best to bring the pride and to bring the whole Philippines. I will do my best in order to show what we do best as Filipinos. I will show that to the whole world, especially as I step foot in Egypt for Miss Eco-Teen International.
All the best, Paula. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, pwede mo kami comment Paula, kung paano ka na-discover ni Sir Gerald at kung paano selected siya to be our country's representative for this international competition.
Okay, so January of this year, I actually joined Sir Gerald's pageant, which is Mr. and Miss Philippine Youth. Honestly, I joined it expecting nothing, but thankfully, I did get the title of Miss Philippine Youth Tourism. And from there, hello, the mic is acting up. Okay. And from there po, actually one time in like a closed door interview, Sir Gerald asked me if, you know, are you willing to like go abroad, international? Do you want to go like for Miss Eco-Teen? Because I said, like kahit I'm scared, especially it's my first time, you can't help but be scared to go international and represent the Philippines. But sure, an opportunity may only come once. So I said, I didn't think anything else. I said, yes, I'm willing. Di ba kuya, I did say that. I said, yes, kuya, I'm willing. And then from there, after Philippine Youth, things just unraveled. And here we are. I'm flying to Egypt on Saturday, and I'm so happy and so thankful.
Follow-up question with Paula. So, what goals would you like to highlight from this international competition in Egypt?
As I go international for Miss Eco-Teen International, personally for myself, I really gravitate towards helping people in poverty, especially in charity. And especially that we live in a world where the environment and climate change is really prevalent and it affects a lot of people, then my advocacy as I go to Egypt is to really properly, positively inform people, especially young people, the youth, because I also belong in the sector of the youth. So my advocacy is to properly inform people through education also on sustainability, especially on the environment, and helping people together in order to properly take care of the well-being of society and the world in general. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hearts for You.
Hi, I'm Sherry from Business Mirror.
Hi.
You're currently enrolled at the Ateneo.
Yes.
What about your Jesuit education prepared for your training?
Okay, so in Ateneo, I'm currently taking up BS Legal Management. So this is my pre-law because I really want to become a lawyer for when I graduate. So after that, I will be studying law again. And with concern with my education in my school, I believe my school right now really helps me to improve how I juggle with my activities because I am also a student law and I am a beauty queen. And might I say, Ateneo is, I think we know that they do have a sort of a demanding thing when it comes to academics. So really it helps me properly manage my time, my skills, especially my two identities as a student and as a beauty queen. And with this, my friends in school also, they support me very well. So with this, it supports how I am as a person. Yeah, that's what I would say, Bo. That's how my education helps me with being as a beauty queen. I hope that answered your question. Please ask me more if you need more answers.
Hello. You're an aspiring lawyer.
Yes.
So what are your thoughts on the current judicial system in the Philippines?
Wow.
My current thoughts, a lot of the time here in our country, we may have a lot of flaws and aspects in which things are not really fair, especially for the society and the Filipinos. So all my thoughts as a person who wishes to influence, what I really want to say is it's really gravitating more towards the people. Because the people holds the power. Yes, we may have a government that governs us and guides us to be one as a country, but it's really up to the people. And I think my role in this also is to, help spread my voice and advocate for what is right in order for us to work together and for our voices to reach out to more people in order for us to, work as a nation, especially if this includes unfairness in our legal systems and in the things that our government does for us. So that's my answer. It's really more towards the people's actions and how we would work together in order to fight for what we need and what is right for us as a people. Thank you.
Doon na nag-e-end ang ating Q&A.
Thank you.
So, hello, Pao.
Hello.
Mo yan.
Hello.
Magka-video ka kayo the other day. Okay, Pao, since na-crown ka and such as the Philippines representative for Miss Eco King, kumusta yung paghahanda mo? Kasi kitang-kita namin sa overall look mo ngayon yung improvements, like sa styling, even sa sa body physique mo. Kumusta yung mga pinagdaanan mo, the preparations?
Yes, so physically, as the days go by, yes po, I try my best to improve on whatever would best look for me, like yung styling ko po, my outfits. You know, I will be bringing a lot of outfits in Egypt, so please abang tayo for my OOTDs and my gowns and everything. They will be very fun. Please watch out for my social medias. So, actually for my preparations now, like in terms of packing, we're almost done po with my luggages. We're bringing a lot, so much, like more than 5, almost 7 I think. That's that. And for my preparations for Egypt, I will be bringing my own theme to help me stay beautiful and ready as I go and perform in Egypt po. Physically naman, for my fitness, I do have school, so medyo it's hard to keep up. But yes, I do try to still work out to keep healthy. You know, I have to stay strong for my body physically because we wear heels most of the time and carry heavy gowns. So of course we need to keep fit. As mentally naman po, recently, I'm not gonna lie, I've been feeling very confused and overwhelmed. I hope it's a normal thing. With this, you know, I just have my family with me, especially my mother right there. She just encourages me with words of wisdom, na hindi parang words of wisdom because she always screams. But nonetheless, those are my preparations po. I'm focusing right now on my mental well-being because yes, it's important for me to dress well, to be beautiful, to be in my best shape as I go to Egypt. But my lesson, as what I've learned in my journey, it's best more to look out for my emotions and my well-being. That's where I'm preparing myself, especially for my flight this 11. All I'm doing, as I mentioned earlier, I'm meditating, I'm praying, I'm calming myself, and I'm doing my best to just relax and to not overthink so we could have a light and enjoyable competition in Egypt.
Okay, follow-up question.
Okay.
Can you stand up? Imagine yourself, and the question, syempre yung favorite question, ay compare natin po sa answer before nung nasash ka as the new Miss Eco Team Philippines. So, the question is, why should you be our next Miss Eco Team International 2025? 30 seconds lang.
The world faces a lot of social issues and calamities such as the environment and climate change. And as a Miss Eco Teen International, it is my purpose to inspire people, especially the youth like myself. And with this inspiration and with the voice that I have, I would encourage everyone, especially young people, to work hand in hand to make better actions and to take part in activities in order to better improve the society and our state of the world. That's why I should be the next Miss Eco Teen International.